Okay guys, I'm going to start by, we're going to open up a new Photoshop document. In my case, I'm opening Photoshop through my menu down here on a PC. It will be in a different place, but now File, New. This will be in the same place on your PC, and I'm going to make the settings for this 17 inches in this case because we are referring to 11 by 17 paper, and 11. Our resolution will be 150 pixels per inch, so 150. 72 is a little low. It's great for web. 300 is for really good quality printing. For our purposes, 150 is great. Our paper background here is going to be white. We could do transparent, but I think white's a little easier to understand for now. And we will press OK. Alright, then here we have our new document, nothing on it. And just to make sure that we're all on the same page, I want you to go to Workspace and then pick Default Workspace for now. That way we're all working on the same, the layout of your document will be the same as mine. It'll be easier to understand this way. Okay, so now I want to bring some images into this Photoshop document. So in my case, I'm going to use Safari. You could use whatever browser you like. And I am going to type in Alexander McQueen again. Okay, and he's already come up right there. And of course, even though I spelt it wrong, it came up. That's good. Okay, so, and I will go Images here. And you'll now see that I have lots of kind of images, sort of unsorted, large, medium, small. In this case, I'll just click on this link here for Alexander McQueen dresses. Okay, so I've kind of narrowed my search now, and then I have further narrowed kind of parameters up here. But I am going to click this little guy here for large images, and that will kind of bring down my number of choices. Go through here, and you know what, this first image looks great. I'm just going to click on that, and now this will bring me to, I could actually right click here. Can I? Yeah, I can. However, no, I actually can't in this case, so I'm going to close this box here, and now I'm right on the site, and you will need this for citing where you got this information, so you may as well just close that window and go right to it. And you can see there's lots of other amazing things that, you know, you kind of, so it's kind of like following it down the path to see where you go. And here we have it, and we have some information. We know where the site is, and I'm going to right click that and say, or go, copy image. And now I'm going to head back to Photoshop. I now have my image, and I'm going to go Control V or paste. So I now have my first layer within my new document, and I am going to click right on that text, and I'm going to call it Red Feather Dress. And remember, naming your layers is pretty important. It'll keep you from getting confused later on. At least I know I certainly do it. I've just clicked back onto my browser, and I'm going to find something else. You know, maybe there's something else in here. In this case, I'll just take both images from the same site just to kind of save time. Okay, this is pretty amazing. Right-clicking, copying image, back to Photoshop. And I will now Control V, paste, and it's landed right on top of it at exactly the same size. However, it is on a layer. You can see that it is on top of the feather dress. So I am now going to name this layer. I'll call it Poppy Feather Dress. Alright, now the purpose of naming your layers is really just to make your life a little easier. Then you can see that if I'm clicking down with my mouse, I'm selecting that layer, and I'm dragging it down. And you can now see that it is the upper layer in this. This is basic, you know, the kind of basics of importing documents into Photoshop. Thank you very much.